What if I told you there's a freemium AI tool that allows you to understand any YouTube video in any language, no matter its length, with just a click? YouTube is a goldmine of information, but who has the time to watch hours of content? Besides, even if you find the time to watch something, you'll likely forget most of it after a while. Wayne AI addresses these issues, allowing you to comprehend any video quickly without needing to watch it entirely, while storing this wealth of information in its digital library. Let me show you. First, head over to Wayne AI. Depending on what browser you use, click either the Chrome or Edge button. I use Chrome, so I'll click the Chrome icon. This takes you to the Chrome Web Store. To install the extension, click the Add to Chrome button. After the installation is over, you sign up and you are good to go. Now, whenever you watch a YouTube video, two buttons will appear. One below the video and another on the right side. Clicking either of these buttons will open Wayne AI, which in a matter of seconds will bring up a sidebar containing various AI-generated details about the video. First, there is the Overview field, which provides a short, easy-to-read summary. Next, you get the Timestamps section. The timestamps are extremely useful because they divide the video into smaller segments, each accompanied by a summary. Next to each timestamp, there is a small plus icon. Clicking on it will extract additional details for this section, offering an even more detailed and elaborate explanation of the segment. But what if this information isn't enough and you have additional questions about the topic? Wayne AI also allows you to ask questions about the video to enhance your understanding. To do so, click this emoji to load the embedded chatbot. Let's test it out and see how it works. Discussing the video's content is awesome because it lets you explore any topic in greater depth, something especially beneficial for students who might want some additional help. Speaking of students, there is also this. Imagine that a slide or a formula is shown on your screen, but you have trouble understanding. Here's what you can do. Click here to fire up the screenshot tool. Then, use it to capture what you need help with. Click the tick icon below the selected area. Notice that the screenshot is automatically shared with the chatbot. Now you can prompt the chatbot to explain the screenshot you just took. Nice, isn't it? Another thing that sets Wayne AI apart is that it even supports several hours-long videos like presentations, webinars, or lectures. Check this. I'll try this 1 hour-long webinar. Simple as that, the AI analyzed the video and came back with insights despite its length. Besides students, teachers can also take advantage of Wayne AI. Let's say you're looking to create questions based on a specific video. First, have Wayne AI analyze it. Then, click the chatbot icon and request it to generate questions based on the video. For instance, you might want some multiple choice questions. As expected, the chatbot returned the questions I requested. You can find the prompt I used in the video's description along with a link to other helpful prompts for generating question items. Here's a feature I really like. Wayne AI can also create mind maps based on any video. This is crucial as mind maps help you see how the different topics or ideas are connected, enhancing your understanding. To generate a video's mind map, Click here. If you need to, you can download the mind map by clicking this icon over here. With so many videos available, keeping track of their content can be quite a challenge. Wayne AI can analyze the videos you like and organize them in a digital library, allowing you to easily revisit and access them whenever you need to. To save a video's insights into your library, you first need to generate its notes. To do so, click on the Create Notes icon. A new tab will open, displaying the video's overview, mind map, and timestamps in full screen. You can edit these notes or leave them as they are. If you want to access your saved videos, click the Notes Library button on the left. Here are all the videos that Wayne AI has helped us with. Needless to say that you can add, edit, or share your notes if you want to. What if you are not a native English speaker and want to have all these insights in your language? Well, you can have Wayne AI translate everything. To do so, just click the little globe icon and the AI will translate everything. Wayne AI supports over 40 languages, so you won't need to copy and paste text into Google Translate. The best part is that this translation feature works not only for the video insights, but also for the chatbot conversations and mind maps. And it works on any video, not just those in English. Whether you're watching a video lecture in Spanish, a tutorial in Hindu, or even our videos in Greek, Wayne AI can analyze them and present you with its findings in your preferred language. If you're curious about pricing, Wayne AI comes in several versions. The free one allows you to access limited minutes of video summaries per month and bot questions. On the other hand, the standard and pro plans give you access to way more minutes of video summaries and in-depth insights per month for a price. Wayne AI simplifies the process of understanding YouTube videos. But what if you have specific documents you want to explore and gain insights from? In that case, be sure to check out the video displayed on your screen. It will help you accelerate your research and enhance your productivity. That's all for this video. Till the next time, see you!